Mangoes are a fabulous tropical fruit, but in order to enjoy them, you need to know two things. When they're ripe, and here you will know just by pushing down towards the bottom of this. Look at this. This indent, it is definitely very ripe and ready to go. Don't be tricked by color. Sometimes I think red is going to be the indicator of ripeness, but it's not. This green one is ripe and ready to go. Next is you got to know how to slice a mango. Because if you peel this, it's going to be a slippery, slimy mass and you just won't even be able to get the fruit off. There is a stone on the inside of this mango. See how it's kind of oblong this way? There is a stone in there, the pit, that's running inside, just inside. So watch this. I'm going to line it up just like this. And I'm going to cut down just to the one each side of that stone. Kind of curve in like that. And now I'm going to turn it this way. And I'm going to cut it down the other side of that stone. Just like that. We'll come back and get the meat off of that. These are beautiful. This is what you want to do. You want to score it without cutting your hand. Don't go too deep. The skin will stop you. And this is way easier than trying to peel this. Remember, peeling this would be, I'm turning this into a slippery, slimy mass. It would just be awful. And you score this into nice little checkerboard. And now what you do is you can turn it into a mango porcupine. And I love to hand this to young kids and they can just eat it off just like that and they think it's really kind of fun and it's magically delicious. But to turn it into a fruit salad, you would just cut these little cubes off just like so. And you've got a nice, easy to go mango salad on the way. But I want to show you that with this piece right here, there's still some good meat here. We'll just take the skin off this way and we will just cut off little bits there, a little bit there, and I'll reveal the mango stone or the pit to you. There you go, right there is where that pit is, right there, kind of long and skinny and oblong, and then it's fun to kind of bite off and chew off the rest of the meat off of there. So, mangoes. Hope you can turn this into a great mango salsa, salad, anything you like. Mangoes truly are really terrific.